a gold trophy. Wow. Oh, man. Starting a company. Can I participate so that I just run away with this trophy? Oh, man. Oh.
Policy, in terms of hiring, in terms of inclusion of some of these populations.
At this point, the Federation finds it difficult to support the housing levy as proposed. Our members are complaining. It is coming on the heels of very many other proposals that constitute taxes and levies to us. We've just implemented the NSSF at 6%. There are discussions about NHIF going to 2.75% of an employee's salary, and we haven't even talked about the finance bill. Could we make it voluntary? That is what the Federation has asked. That if you make it voluntary, then Kenyans will decide whether they want to contribute to the fund or not. If you make it mandatory, then it impacts the take-home pay of the employees. It portends an increase in the financial spend by employers on staff costs, and it will put pressure on the employees' take-home pay. For those reasons, we're saying let's go back to the drawing board and discuss the housing levy alongside all these other proposals on taxes and new levies that are being proposed. The unpredictable nature of the business environment in this country has made it difficult for some sectors